We got the subframe hanging over there. About to get it ready for some paint. We got the diff nice and clean. Soaking down and letting it dry. And we're gonna get some paint on that thing, so we'll see what we're working on. Alright, so I just gave the subframe a third wash down with some degree nerf foaming spray somewhere around here. Over there, that blue one. And the red Scotch Brite, which is a super tough one. Brings you down to bare metal, so it's really good. So we got all that oil, all that dirt out. Now we're gonna give it a final scrub in the inside, and that's it. And then we can get this thing straight into paint. And we got a nice color paint we're gonna do on this thing. We'll show you guys when this is done, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish the Scotch Brite wiping this down.
You spraying it? Yep. Don't try. You can try this at home. Just don't breathe in the spray paint. Right, Dad?
Huh?
I'm recording and I'm saying don't breathe in spray paint because it's bad for your lungs. He knows what he's doing because he did it before. Right, Dad?
Yep. Have it, the subframe with the first coat of paint.
Why do you give that away?
Everything's painted here except these brackets. I want to pop those out and then paint the brackets. But this is the color we chose for the subframe. Hell Rot Red. I'm lying. It's not no fucking Hell Rot Red. We got a safety red with some POR paint. You know the vibes. This is what you need. Rust proof it. This was fully sanded, fully cleaned, degreased. Everything is red. You look inside. It looks like a complete powder coat, to be honest with you. This is where we at. E46 subframe rebuild.